Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, I will discuss a textbook titled Oxford Phonics Word 1 Student Books. This book is one of the learning materials designed for beginner students, especially young learners just starting to learn reading in English. It is published by Oxford University Press, a leading publisher in the field of education. This explanation is based on the Chunningsworth or Tomlinson framework. For the first two aims of the coursebook correspond closely with the aim of the teaching program and the needs of the learners. Oxford Phonics Word 1 is designed to help beginner students build a strong foundation in early literacy skill in English through mastering phonics. The book has a clear focus on introducing letter sounds, pronunciation, and basic vocabulary formation. With a systematic approach, students are guided to understand the relationship between letters and their sounds, which is crucial for developing reading skill. The book objectives align with the needs of young learners who require a visual and interactive approach to learning. Beginner learners, especially those studying English as a second language, often need material that encourage active participation and provide clear context for understanding the material. Through its use of engaging illustration and activities, this book effectively addresses those needs. However, its effectiveness can be maximized if integrated into structured teaching program. In the classroom context, teachers can use this book to establish a solid literacy foundation while joining students in enjoyable learning activities. Thus, the book goals can be achieved optimally, matching a learner's need and the teaching program objectives. And the second is the coursebook suited to the learning or teaching situation. Oxford Phonics Word 1 is well suited for a learning context that emphasizes interaction between teacher and students. The book is designed for use in active classroom with activities such as listening, speaking, and sound recognition, where the teacher plays an active role as a facilitator. The story-based and colorful illustration add an extra layer of feel for young learners. The book's effectiveness heavily depends on the teacher role, especially in introducing and demonstrating letter sounds. The activities included in the books require the right guidance to ensure students grasp the concept being taught. Teachers must prefer supporting strategies such as using audio aids or providing practical example in pronunciation. Classroom context. The super active interaction is ideal for the use of this book. Conversely, in self-directed learning, students may struggle with some activities without teacher assistance. Therefore, it is important for educators to adapt their teaching approach based on the student needs and the teaching situation. And the third, how comprehensive is the coursebook? As a resource for beginners, Oxford Phonics Word 1 is quite comprehensive. The books not only teach phonics, but also includes activities that encourage listening and speaking skill. These activities help students develop basic communication abilities, supporting holistic language learning. Additionally, the repetition provided in the materials gives students opportunities to reinforce their understanding. The book has limitations in providing explicit guidance for teachers. Some activities might require adjustments or improvisation from teacher to student needs. For instance, teacher might need to prepare additional material to provide more context or clarify instructions that are not that detailed in the books. Despite this, the book remains a valuable resource for teaching beginners. With supplementary materials or guidance from teacher, students can have more in-depth and varied learning experience. This approach ensures effective learning despite the book's limitation in teacher interaction. And next is the course book flexible. The books offer considerable flexibility in terms of teaching style. The variety of activities such as a phonic game, song, and visual exercise allow teachers to adjust their teaching methods to meet student needs. This approach supports students with different learning styles such as a visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and math, making the learning process more inclusive. This flexibility does not extend to self-directed. Many activities in the book require direct teacher guidance, especially to ensure that students understand the instruction and the purpose of each task. Therefore, for student learning independently, the book is less ideal without supervision. Teachers can leverage the strength of this book to create engaging and interactive learning experience with some improvisation, such as incorporating audio aids or modifying exciting activities. The book can be adapted to meet the needs of students in various learning situations. In the conclusion, Oxford Phonics Word 1 is a book specifically designed for beginner students starting to learn how to read English. With its focus on phonics development, this book provides a strong foundation for students to recognize letter sounds, basic vocabulary, and learning skills. It is highly suitable for early primary school level or young learners studying English as a second language. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.